Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Safa's Biology. In this lecture video, we gonna discussing about insulin. In this video, we are covering the topic such as insulin, its structure, mechanism, regulation and degradation of insulin. So, what is insulin? Basically, insulin is a protein which is made up of a peptide bond which is present in many species body, but here we are going to discuss about the humans insulin. So insulin is a hormone which is present in humans body, which is made up of peptide bond which is also called protein. So basically insulin is also a protein and hormone itself. So where is produced? It's produced by the beta cells of pancreatic islets of human body. And which type of a hormone it is? So it is a anabolic hormone. Mechanism of insulin. This mechanism affect the metabolism which is uptake to the glucose. So here insulin initiates its binding to its receptor and start many proteins to activate its cascades. After that, the glycogen is synthesized by glycogen synthesis enzyme. These include translocation of glutaphore transporter to the plasma membrane and influx of glucose. So what happens? The glucose get lysed by glycolysis enzyme and converted into triglyceride. So basically what's happened here, insulin initiates its action by binding to glycoprotein's receptor at the surface of the cell. This receptor consists of alpha subunit which is bind the hormones and beta subunit which is an insulin stimulated. Tyrosine specific protein kinase activates and the mechanism begins to lysis of glucose. Regulation of insulin. Insulin regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate, fat, proteins by promoting the absorption of glucose from the blood into liver, fat, and skeletal muscle cells. So, the endogenous production of insulin is regulated in several steps along the synthesis pathways of the insulin. So, here at the transcription from the insulin gene in mRNA stability at the mRNA translation in the post translation modification. So basically insulin is a very important hormone for our body. Degradation of insulin. In general, insulin degradation take place by the kidney cells which is accomplished by same process as by liver. A enzyme called IDE, insulin degrading enzyme, which is responsible for the insulin degradation. IDE located in cytosols, endosomes, peroxisomes, and the cell's surface that cleave the small proteins of diverse sequence of peptides. So, degradation of insulin is a internalized receptor insulin complex which is either degraded intercellularly or returned back to the surface from where the insulin is released extracellularly. I hope you understand the basic knowledge of insulin. Please subscribe to my channel to reach 1K. Please help me to grow on the YouTube. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.